Welcome back to Power Lunch. As soon as the verdict was announced last night, former President Trump convicted on 34 counts. Both campaigns immediately kicked up their fundraising efforts. Megan Cassella in D.C. has more. Hi, Megan.
Kelly, that's exactly right. So we're seeing former President Donald Trump and his campaign working to fundraise off this guilty verdict in a major way. The campaign said this morning that it had raised nearly $35 million yesterday after the verdict from small dollar donors. The campaign says nearly 30% of those were contributing for the first time. Now, down ballot, we're seeing some momentum, too. Both the NRSC and the NRCC, so those are the Republican campaign arms for the House and the Senate, they say they set records with their fundraising yesterday, raising $300,000 for the House and $360,000 for the Senate. It's not just the small dollar donors lining up behind Trump either. Venture capitalist Sean McGuire said he donated $300,000 last night. Elon Musk and Bill Ackman both showing signs of support today. And David Sachs, he's the venture capitalist who's co-hosting a fundraiser for Trump in California next week, saying that the dam is beginning to break when it comes to Silicon Valley support for Trump. Now, the Biden team is also looking to raise money here. No dollar figures yet from the Democrats, but their push to supporters has centered on the idea that the only way to keep Trump from the White House is at the ballot box in November. And Kelly, I should add that we've now heard from both Trump and Biden today. Trump is calling this a sham trial, while Biden is saying it's dangerous to say the justice system is rigged. So both candidates will now be taking that case to their voters to see if it can make a difference before November. Kelly?
I heard, Megan, some commentators last evening pointing to the small dollar donors who have been so prevalent in the Trump fundraising in the wake of the trial verdict, kind of poo-poo the fact that these were not the big donors. You mentioned some bigger donors that seem to be turning in Trump's direction. But couldn't one argue that the fact that there are so many small dollar donors be a positive for the Trump campaign? In other words, and that there so many of them are new donors, that it suggests that it's not just the volume of money, but it's the number of people represented by that money that really matters here.
Absolutely. I think that's what's so important here is when you can see a widespread breadth of support, really, that makes a big difference. Of course, money matters. All of this money for both of these war chests is going to go a really long way between now and November. But at the end of the day, you have to have voters who are casting ballots and who are supporting you. So the fact that the Trump camp says they have 30% of their donations last night came in from new people, that means they're getting folks engaged for the first time with their campaign. They're going to try to parlay that into further donations, into better support, into more discussion about President Trump, more support, and of course, more votes in November. So the mega donors have a major role to play here, and it is interesting that we're seeing so many line up behind Trump, but the small donors, as you say, play at least as important as a role, I would say.
Megan, thank you very much. Megan Cassella.